Well, evening, Williams, Philippines. It's Friday, October 10th, 2025, at about 9:06 p.m. Oh, hang on. There we go. That's better. Anyway, hope everybody's doing good. There was a earthquake down on Mindanao. Bunch of damage down in Mindanao. It was in Butuan or something, somewhere near Sargao, and a bunch of damage over in Davao. Uh, Basically, it shook real good. We felt it here, and yeah, I don't know what it showed here as, but 7.4 is what I heard uh, from one of the reports. So I don't know if they've upgraded it, downgraded it, or what, but I heard that there was some pretty good damage and I think a mall, something. Anyway, not here. Uh, yeah, it shook here and it woke me up. I got a report that, hey, it's shaking shortly thereafter. Some friends let me know, but it had already woke me up. So, yay. Had a interesting day. Uh, yeah. Friend sent me out the door to the right, down to either ninth or seventh restaurant, Calendaria, or whatever, and I ended up at a place about 4 blocks up before I came back to it because it was the seventh. But it took 14 to get there because some of them were open. I didn't qualify the Banana Q place as an actual restaurant. But hey, one of my friends said, "Hey, go do this." I tried it. Had fun. I got to go out the door and let somebody else give me directions. Turned out pretty good. Thank you. Uh, so, yeah, I took him a picture. I don't know if it got through, but I have a bamboo sport fork thing. Kind of like it. For disposable utensils, that definitely qualifies as a better one than the plastic. I wonder how much that actually cost them. I don't know, but looks like it's pretty easy to make. Wonder how many of them they make at a time. But yeah, uh, a very good day. Problem is, I'm tired. I stayed up talking to friends last night, finally gave up and got some sleep, and got kicked out of bed by an earthquake after only about 4 hours of sleep. Yeah, maybe a little over, but not much. Uh, and then I went out and did this for lunch, came back, walked through the shower, got cooled off because I was overheating. The food was at a place called Cebu Rito, Cebu Rito. Yeah, it's a Philippines twist on Mexican food. I liked it. Uh, they had the they had the spice. It was hot. You could tell it was hot. Uh, yeah, I had my nose running, which was good, but it wasn't overpowering flame and only heat. You could actually taste the food, and it was hot. So, yeah, I actually liked it. They did good. I'll have to put that on my it's worth eating there place. So, yeah, a little more expensive than I want, but I should know better than to go out and eat out when I'm hungry. I can eat more than most people, and yeah, I probably shouldn't do that when I'm hungry. When I'm in the mood for a snack, maybe yeah, but not when I'm actually hungry. Hazard of having my gut. It consumes. Yeah. But I got that done, came back here, got in the shower, got out, and went back to bed. Uh, oh, and yeah, we ended up having another aftershock and another aftershock. So, yeah, there's been a couple of them from down there on Mindanao Island, which is the second big island. It's the one to the south of the Philippines. I feel for those folks, and I feel for the ones up here in Bagao because we felt it here, so I'm pretty sure they felt it there. And they just had that earthquake up there to the north end of Cebu Island, so I'm pretty sure they weren't happy about this. Uh, yeah, and yeah, I'm not sure how many people have passed because of this, but it was enough that, like I said, it was enough of an earthquake that we felt it here, and this was, yeah, a couple 100 miles instead of just 60 or so. So yeah, I don't know about y'all, but earthquakes are a little disturbing. Uh, there's nothing you can do about them. They'll hit everywhere on the planet, even back in Amarillo, Texas. But they are usually so small there that you don't really notice them. So, yeah, here they're kind of like out in California. They're noticeable. Ring of fire thing, I guess. Yeah. Anyway, two earthquakes and a bunch of aftershocks. In, yeah, just, what, a couple of weeks. And again, aftershocks. Hey, we just had one a couple hours ago. Uh, I hope everybody down there is okay. I know there probably are some fatalities. Pray for the families. The Philippines is getting kicked in the balls right now. Uh, but hey, the Philippines will come through and keep going on and making it better. That's part of what I like about here. Don't matter what, they keep making it work. It just does. And you got to give them credit for that kind of a spirit that they just keep going. So, yeah. Uh, I think I'm going to try the night market carbon uh, tomorrow night. I'm too tired for tonight. It's over and done with. I need sleep. As soon as I get this thing uploaded, I'm going to sleep. I'm disconnecting from the world. I'm going to sleep. So, unless the world plans on shaking me out of bed, I'm going to sleep. I'll make sure I have some shorts with everything in them ready to go. Step out the door if necessary. Yeah. I don't know. I was talking with a friend about trying to have like an earthquake bag. Here's a little bit of something just in case we have an earthquake. Grab this and go. Okay. I don't know what all would need to be in there. I mean, I've got an idea, but I don't know. Yeah. Because you might need to get out of the building quick. Just say it. I don't know. Anyway, I'm William, Williams, Philippines. Y'all have a wonderful day. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and more food. Always more food. Uh, you know, do what you like doing. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Your choice. Not going to make it for you. That's your disaster. You choose. Left ear, right ear, hard head, God kind of thing. You make up your mind what you do with you. I'm going to do the Philippines with me, and I'm enjoying doing it. Even though it shakes around a little bit. I, but yeah, I hope y'all have a blessed day. Keep the folks from the earthquakes and such in your prayers. We could always use them. And yeah, Dan, you got a new job and trying to keep up with things. Hope you're still getting to the jail. And my friend Winter, thanks for the challenge of finding a new place. Wasn't expecting it to turn out like that. It actually, it was a good one. Thank you later. Blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish. Fish out.